Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for an at-home hairdressing kit, or even if you're a professional, this one from Frieden Beauty is an excellent choice. So first of all, you're gonna right off the bat notice the awesome coloring on these scissors. Absolutely beautiful. They have a really great weight. The scissors are sharp, they're receptive, they do an excellent job. So I've been cutting my family's hair for a very long time at home. I have no training, so don't look at my technique, but I've really found that this kit has stepped up my game. It comes with one pair of scissors, one pair of thinning shears, a comb, a clip, and then these little rubber rings. So these are easily inserted into the finger holes, so it makes it so that your fingers fit in there nice and snug and grippy. I'm very pleased with the quality of this set. It feels well made, and you have everything you need to take you through a traditional haircut. So if you're looking for similar, you want to be able to cut hair at home, but feel like you have a nice high quality set to use, I definitely think you'll be very pleased with this one, and that's my point of view.